Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram settings not working problem? Showing this error, we are having trouble loading settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. Now open App Store. Tap on search bar and search for Instagram. Now update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After following all steps, now open Instagram and go to settings. Now see, problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.